I'm Las Vegas accident attorney Neil Schaus. People call me all the time and say, hey, I was just in a car crash. Who can I potentially name in a lawsuit? Whenever I take on a new car accident case, there are 4 types of parties that I look to as potential sources to file claims against and to collect money from. The first and most common is what we call third-party insurance. This is where we file a claim against the insurance company of the person who hit you or who caused the accident. The second type of party we can file a claim against is what we call the first-party insurance. This means your uninsured or underinsured motorist policy if you have one. We call this a UMIM policy. Oftentimes, the party who caused the accident has only limited insurance, often just a state minimum of $15,000. But you may have $100,000 or more in damages. If you have UMIM coverage, we can often collect the difference from your insurance company. The third type of claim we look to is products liability. This is a claim against the manufacturer of the vehicle or one or more of its component parts. Sometimes brakes fail. Sometimes seat belts don't lock. Sometimes airbags fail to deploy. If your vehicle safety systems didn't work right and that exacerbated your injuries, we may have a claim against the manufacturer. And these cases are often worth a lot of money. Number 4, dangerous condition claims. This is usually against the city or municipality that maintains the road or the property owner where the accident occurred. It can be for things like failure to maintain adequate street lights, failure to fix a pothole in the road, not having a 4-way stop sign at an intersection that needed one for safety reasons. If any of these conditions contributed to causing the accident, then the municipality or the state or any of its contractors could be potential defendants. If you've been injured in an accident here in Nevada and you'd like us to assess who the potential sources of liability are, call us at Las Vegas Defense Group at 702 Defense.